In this video, I will tell you how to sharpen blurry or low-quality photos using AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or similar image models without needing any graphic design skills or complicated editing software. Sometimes you find an old image, screenshot, wallpaper, or even a photo from the internet that looks too blurry or soft, and you just want to make it clearer without spending hours in Photoshop. The good news is that AI can now do most of the work for you in just a few seconds. All you need to do is open ChatGPT, Claude, or another AI model that supports image editing, then upload the photo you want to improve. After that, write a simple prompt telling the AI exactly what you want it to do. One very good example is this prompt. Sharpen this photo naturally without oversaturating the colors, keep the original look. This tells the AI to improve the image quality while still keeping the same atmosphere, colors, and realistic appearance instead of turning the image into something fake-looking or overly edited. The reason this works so well is because AI does not sharpen photos the same way classic editing programs do. Instead, it basically recreates parts of the image using its own understanding of details, textures, lighting, and sharpness. Because of that, the final result can often look much cleaner and more realistic than standard sharpening filters. However, you also need to remember something important. Since the AI is recreating details instead of only enhancing them, some tiny things can look slightly different afterward. Faces, small objects, text, or background details may change a little bit, but usually the differences are very minor and most people will not even notice them. Overall, this is one of the easiest ways to improve blurry images today, especially if you want fast results without learning professional graphic editing software. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.